Apple is about to change everything we thought we knew about the budget iPad. And if the latest leaks from Cupertino are true, the upcoming iPad 12th generation for 2026 is no longer just an entry-level tablet. It's a powerhouse in disguise. For years, the base model iPad has been the reliable, slightly dated sibling in the lineup. But 2026 marks a massive shift in Apple's strategy. We're looking at a device that bridges the gap between the affordable and the professional, starting with a hardware jump that no one saw coming. The biggest headline? The silicon. Rumors are swirling that Apple will skip the usual incremental upgrades and equip the 12th Gen iPad with the A19 chip, the same beast expected to power the iPhone 17. This isn't just about speed. It's about a 50% performance boost over the current A16 models, specifically designed to handle the next era of Apple Intelligence. Imagine having the full suite of Apple's AI tools: advanced Siri, real-time image generation, and system-wide writing assistance, on the most affordable tablet in the catalog. To make this possible, Apple is reportedly bumping the RAM to a standard 8 gigabytes, a mandatory requirement for these AI features to run smoothly. This means the days of budget feeling slow are officially over. But the upgrades don't stop at the processor. Connectivity is getting a professional-grade overhaul with a new N1 wireless chip, bringing Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.3 to the base model for the first time. This ensures that whether you're streaming 8K content or gaming with low-latency peripherals, the iPad 12 will keep up with the fastest networks available in 2026. Design-wise, Apple is keeping the sleek, 10.9-inch edge-to-edge look we love, but with subtle refinements that make it feel more premium. We're expecting a new palette of vibrant, high-end colors and a build that remains thin and light while housing a much more efficient battery system. While the display remains a beautiful liquid retina panel, the internal architecture is being redesigned for better thermal management to support that A19 power. And for the creators, there's talk of expanded support for the Apple Pencil Pro features, bringing haptic feedback and barrel roll capabilities to students and hobbyists. The price? Despite these flagship-level internals, insiders suggest Apple wants to keep this around the $349 to $399 range, making it the most aggressive value proposition in the history of the iPad. If you've been waiting to upgrade, the 2026 iPad 12th Gen is the reason to wait. It's not just an iPad, it's an AI-powered workstation that fits in your backpack.